Jonathan from Rain Brothers here, rainbrothers.com. I'm going to show you real quick on our gravity-fed soaker hose. Sometimes if this gets handled a lot or gets jostled around, this little assembly inside can come apart. And I'm going to show you what to do if that happens. Sorry for the chicken noise in the background. So this is actually just set together. There's nothing glued or attached in any way. It's all just individual pieces, but it's very easy to fix if this does happen. If you notice that the hose comes apart and you have a bunch of pieces now, all you have to do is push the hose through. You're going to want to make sure that the rubber O-ring is out. You're going to push the hose through, open these two channels up, insert a D-ring inside each of the channels. You're going to have that inserted like so that they make a full circle. Then you'll pull that back down into the soaker hose. Pull it tight, and then put the O-ring back in place, and it is back together. Thank you so much for watching.